Will the good action of the non-believers will be wasted? This is an important question which has been raised by the non-Muslims. Answer is no. In Quran, Surah number 99, verse 7 and 8, Allah says, anyone who has an atom worth of goodness will see it, and anyone who has done an atom worth of evil will also see it. Remember that here Allah did not say that for Muslims. He says anyone. Second point. Allah does not say that it is limited for Muslims only. But by that it is meant that those who are non-believers but have done good deeds will be rewarded in this world for their good deeds. That's the thing you have to understand. Because they believe in this world, so they will be rewarded in this world. On the other hand, the Muslim believes in two worlds. In this world, and they believe also in the hereafter. Therefore, the Muslims will be rewarded not only in this world, but also in the hereafter. Lastly, the final judgment. The final judgment and the authority is only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. It is mentioned in Surah Baqarah, verse number 62. Thank you.